Christy Hawkins with the Social Easel, and I'm so excited because this Sunday night I'm gonna do a live PJ paint party with you guys all online over on the Social Easel Facebook page. We are gonna paint Autumn Road, which is one of my most popular fall paintings that I've ever done, and I'm gonna teach it to you step by step. So if you want to get the color and supply list ahead of time so you can be prepped and ready to go, just sign up through the link below and you'll get an email with that sent directly to you. And then just mark your calendar and join me over on the Social Easel Facebook page at 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. I cannot wait to party with you guys Sunday night, and we're gonna talk all about the inner tribe and answer all questions that you may have about joining my membership because it opens Sunday night. I'll see you guys there. Bye.